Many people today struggle with sleep. They feel tired at night, but when they finally lie down, their mind is still awake, thinking, worrying, or replaying the events of the day. Minutes pass, then hours, and before they know it, the morning arrives. They wake up feeling exhausted, unfocused, and drained. This cycle continues day after day, affecting mood, productivity, and even long-term health. Sleep is more than just closing your eyes. It's a time when the body repairs itself, the brain organizes memories, and the mind resets. Good sleep gives us clarity, energy, and emotional balance. So when sleep quality drops, everything else is affected. The good news is, improving sleep doesn't have to be complicated. Today we're going to explore 3 simple but powerful ways to improve your sleep quality, starting tonight. 1. Create a consistent sleep routine. To fix this, choose a bedtime and wake-up time that works for you and follow it consistently, even on weekends. At first, your body may resist, but after a few days, your internal rhythm will adjust. Create a simple bedtime ritual. Dim the lights, take a warm shower, read something calming, or do light stretching. These gentle habits signal your brain that the day is ending, making it easier to fall asleep naturally. 2. Build a comfortable sleep environment. Your room plays a huge role in how well you sleep. A bright, noisy, or warm environment keeps the brain alert, even when your eyes are closed. Start by making your room as dark as possible. Darkness helps your body produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Then, adjust the temperature. Most people sleep best in a cool room, around 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. When your body feels supported, your mind can relax more easily. 3. Reduce stimulation before bed. The biggest modern enemy of sleep is stimulation, especially from screens. Phones, laptops, and TVs emit blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Try putting your devices away at least 1 hour before bed. That 1 hour acts as a bridge, helping your mind slow down. Also be mindful of caffeine, and avoid heavy meals and intense exercise near bedtime, as both can make it harder for your body to relax. Better sleep doesn't require expensive gadgets or complex routines. Often, it begins with small, consistent habits that support the body's natural rhythm. Remember, create a consistent routine. Shape a comfortable environment. Reduce stimulation before bedtime. These 3 steps may seem simple, but they can truly transform the way you sleep and the way you live. Thank you for watching, and may tonight be the start of a more peaceful and restful sleep.